These 3 updates in Wondershare Virbo could tremendously help your AI video creation, both in quality and efficiency. Don't blink. It's showtime. If you've updated to the latest version and created a video project, at the intersection of the slides, you should see a gray icon between them. Go ahead and click it. You can have many creative transition options. Check this out. You can even set the duration here. Also, we have an asset option to collect and manage all the imported assets. Drag and drop the asset here so that you can fetch it easily. You can also delete the unwanted to free up the cloud space. Another amazing update is that now we are able to make custom templates. You can go to My Creations and add any of your projects as a template, or go to Video Template and select My Template to create one from scratch. This could be a lifesaver if you need to make bulk videos in a short time, or you need to do them on other devices. By logging into your account, you can always get it right away. Is this the only thing Virbo can do? No, not really. There's actually more, and we'd be covering them in future tutorials. Comment, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are alerted anytime we make a new post. See you in the next one.